holding this, right?
Yep.
All I'm gonna do is just balance this, right? Josh? Oh my gosh. How's that happening? Before I can ever get it on there, I'm not moving it.
Let me see your hand.
You can see all my hands.
You wet it.
Wet it? What does wet got to do with jumping?
I don't know. How else would you do that? Let me see it. How do
Yeah, that's it.